Welcome, here I've got REALME 7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right so we can open the advanced camera settings. And here in the photo settings at the third position we have the grid option. So by using this button we can easily turn on the camera grid lines, and by just another tap we can turn them off like that. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview to see them, and as you can see it shows us these lines. This is useful for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner to the gallery, we can't see them. So these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the settings in the right, tap again here and use this button to turn them off. So in the camera preview, as you can see now, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.